Hello students, welcome to our SPSPMs. Myself Srimati Pawar MY, Assistant Teacher from Shravanlal Modi Vidyalaya. Today we are going to study Standard 9, Subject English. Topic name 4.1, What is Success? In this section we are going to take a look at first is introduction, second poet information, third stanza explanation, fourth central idea, and fifth hard words. So let's see 4.1, what is success? The author of the poem is the famous American poet Ralph Waldo Emerson, a great essayist and popular lecturer. The theme of the poem is quite evident from its title itself. The poem is an attempt to define success as clearly and as briefly as possible. In this poem, the poet defines success. He does not measure success in terms of money, fame, or status in the society. Instead, he talks about the things that make our life more meaningful and worth living. प्रस्तुत कवितेमध्ये कवी राल्फ वाल्डो इमर्सन यांनी यशाची व्याख्या केली आहे. त्यांच्या मते यश ही अशी गोष्ट आहे जिचे समाजातील प्रसिद्धी आणि प्रतिष्ठा, पैसा यांच्याद्वारे मोजमाप करता येत नाही. पुढे जाऊन कवी ज्यामुळे आपल्या आयुष्याला अर्थ देणाऱ्या आणि आयुष्यात मौल्यवान करणाऱ्या गोष्टींविषयी बोलत आहे. जर एखादा व्यक्ती सातत्याने हसत असेल किंवा आनंदी असेल तर त्याला कवी यशस्वी असे म्हणतो. First we read the whole poem, then its stanza will be explained. So, let's start. What is success? What is success? To laugh and often and much, to win the respects of intelligent peoples and the affections of children, to earn the appreciations of honest critics and endure the betrayals of false friends, to appreciate beauty, to find the best in others, to live the world a bit better. Whether by a healthy child, a garden patch, or arranged social conditions, to know even one life has breathed easier because we have lived, this is a have succeeded. Stanza first. What is success? To laugh often and much, to win the respects of intelligent people and the affections of children, to earn the appreciations of honest critic and endure the betrayals of false friends, to appreciate beauty. The poet says that one is successful in he or she laughs a lot and quite frequently so. For the poet, success is being able to do goods and earning the respects of admirations of boys, learned people as well as the love of children. If one gets the applause by critics who are truthful and judge the impartially, and they are able to get through the pains caused by a disloyal friends, then they should consider themselves successful. कवीच्या मते एखाद्याने सातत्याने आनंदी असणे किंवा हसत असणे म्हणजे कवी त्याला यशस्वी म्हणतो. कवीच्या मते यशामध्ये चांगले कृत्य करण्याची क्षमता, आदर प्राप्त करणे, ज्ञानी व विद्वान लोकांकडून मिळवलेले कौतुक आणि त्याचबरोबर मुलांचे प्रेम यांचा समावेश होतो. जेव्हा एखाद्या समीक्षकाकडून कौतुक केले गेले आहे आणि निपक्षपातीपणे ज्याचे परीक्षण केले आहे आणि हे विश्वासघातकी मित्रांमुळे झालेल्या वेदना सहन करू शकले आहे, अशांना यशस्वी म्हणता येईल असे कवी म्हणतो. Stanza second. To appreciate beauty, to find the best in others, to live the world a bit better. Whether by a healthy child's a garden patch or arranged social conditions, to know even one life has breathed easier because you have lived, this is to have succeeded. In this second stanza, according to the poets, being successful is the synonyms with being able to do just look but admire the beauty around us and to be able to find good and positive traits in everyone's. He further states that if one lives the world in a better state than when he or she was born. Then that person is successful even if a person managed to raise a decent human being, grow a small gardens, or try to being able a good change in the society. That person has succeeds. The poet concludes by saying that if anyone make the uh, slightest changes in one's lives for good, it should be considered as a success. He thinks that a person's existence should help better someone's lives if at the end of one's day that are able to say that they have had a positive influence on somebody's life. It means that they have led सक्सेसफुल लाईव्स. या दुसऱ्या कडव्यामध्ये कवीच्या म्हणण्यानुसार यशस्वी होणे याला दुसऱ्या अर्थाने आपल्या सभोवताली असणाऱ्या सौंदर्याकडे पाहणे आणि प्रत्येकामधील चांगले व सकारात्मक विशेष गुण शोधणे हे होय. एखादा जन्माला आला त्यापेक्षा एखादा आपल्यातील चांगल्या गोष्टी मागे ठेवत गेला अशी व्यक्ती यशस्वी आहे असे कवी म्हणतो. किंबहुना एखादी व्यक्ती एखादा सूक्ष्म बदल केला आहे, माणसाच्या आयुष्यात उभारी आणली आहे, लहान बाग तयार केली आहे किंवा समाजातील चांगले बदल करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे, अशांना त्यांच्या आयुष्यात यश मिळाले आहे असे कवी म्हणतो. Central idea of this poem. The poem What is Success? Try to define the term success according to the poems. The real meaning of success is to be happy, to respect voice peoples, to love children and get admirers of honest critic. Real success also means to understand the value of others and to make a positive contributions to the world. कवी ह्या निष्कर्षापर्यंत येतो की एखाद्याच्या आयुष्यामध्ये आपल्याला अगदी लहानसा सकारात्मक बदल दिसून आला तरी त्याला यश म्हणता येते. कवी असा विचार करतो की व्यक्तीचे असणे हे एखाद्याचे आयुष्य चांगले होण्यास मदत करणारे ठरते. शेवटी व्यक्ती म्हणू शकते की एखाद्याच्या आयुष्यावर माझा सकारात्मक प्रभाव पडला आहे, अर्थात अशी व्यक्ती देखील यशस्वी आयुष्य जगली आहे असे म्हणता येते. हार्ड वर्ड्स. इंड्युअर्स मीन्स टॉलरेट्स, पुट अप विथ म्हणजे सहन करणे. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बिट्रायल्स. बिट्रायल्स मीन्स डिसेप्शन्स और चिटिंग, विश्वासघात. अँड थर्ड वर्ड्स इज रिम्स. रिम्स मीन्स मेड बेटर म्हणजेच सुधारणा करणे. Thank you students. We will meet soon in our next lecture. Our next lecture topic is 4.2 reading works of art.